Welcome. Let's delve into today's video discussing about the beginner's guide to meditation, or as I like to call it, meditation made simple for beginners. Step 1. You need to find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. It could be indoors, somewhere peaceful inside your home, or maybe outdoors in a park. Wherever you feel comfortable and at ease. Step 2. To get comfortable. Choose a posture that feels comfortable for you. You can sit cross-legged on the floor on a yoga mat. This is the traditional posture for meditation. It helps to maintain an upright spine and makes you feel grounded. If you find sitting on the floor uncomfortable, you can also sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground and ensure your back is straight. And adopt Chin Mudra with your hands and place it relaxed on your lap or on your knees. In Chin Mudra, the tip of the thumb touches the tip of the index finger while the other fingers are kept straight. By adopting Chin Mudra during meditation, it promotes concentration, wisdom, and inner peace. If initially you find it challenging to maintain this mudra, you can also simply keep your hands relaxed on your lap or knees. And if you find sitting posture is uncomfortable for you, then lying down on your back with your arms by your side can be a suitable alternative. But in this lying down position, just be mindful not to fall asleep, as the goal is to remain awake and alert during meditation. The key is to maintain good posture while remaining comfortable throughout your meditation session. Just take a few moments to settle into your body posture. Gently observe your posture and become aware of your body, keeping your spine erect but yet relaxed. Your neck should be relaxed, relaxing your entire body. Step 3. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Feel the tension leaving your body with each exhale and allow yourself to relax completely. Step 4. To focus on your breath. Bring your attention to your breath. Focus on how your breath is moving, the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. It may be hard to focus while meditating. It can feel a bit challenging with your mind wandering all over the place. Thousands of thoughts pass through our brain because the brain likes to keep itself occupied. So do not worry, it's actually part of the process. So when we meditate, it's natural that the mind wanders. Or it could be some external distractions like the honking of cars outside or sudden phone notifications, or could be physical restlessness, not finding a comfortable position, or we may also start judging our practice. For example, am I doing this right? Or maybe why can't I focus? So we start evaluating ourselves. These kind of judgments can take you out of the meditation experience, creating frustration and distraction. So, you need a focal point, something to center your attention on, focusing on how your breath is moving. This is one of the simplest and most effective focus point. Or you can choose a mantra. Silently repeat it in your mind, thus you keep bringing your attention back whenever a mind drifts away. Step 5. To be fully present in the moment. Practice mindfulness meditation. It is the most common type of meditation and easiest one to start by just paying attention to what you're feeling and observing in the present moment, and be aware of your thoughts and feelings, and concentrate on a single task, that is on the focal point, which is on your breath, or repeating a mantra. Bringing your mind back into focus will become stronger the more you Start meditating for a few minutes, gradually extending the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. It's important to be patient with yourself. As you continue practicing, try to be gentle and allow yourself the time needed for the practice to work effectively for you. There is nothing right or wrong. It is a personal experience. However, as long as you find yourself becoming more aware of your thoughts and you're able to bring your focus back when your mind wanders, then you're on the right track. Thank you for watching this brief meditation guide. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy meditating and namaste.